A single positively charged particle with a charge of 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19 coulomb is traveling into the computer screen and perpendicular to a magnetic field that runs horizontally from left to right across the screen. In what direction will the force experienced by the charge act? So the velocity direction is going to be into the computer screen. So we show it like this. And it says perpendicular to a magnetic field that runs horizontally from left to right. So magnetic field is going to be this way. Then we need to find out the direction of the magnetic force. So always thumb is going to be toward velocity direction. That's the right hand rule. 4 fingers going toward right, which is showing the magnetic field, and then palm is showing the direction of the magnetic force. So if we do the same thing, thumb going toward velocity, 4 fingers toward magnetic field, then palm is going to be toward south. So if we are dealing with the positively charged, which we are in here, it is going toward south. Assume that it was negatively charged particle. If it's negatively charged particle, we have 2 different ways to do that. One way is doing the same thing, but the final answer you make it the opposite direction. So it is going up instead of going down when we are dealing with a negatively charged. Or you use your left hand instead. So the answer for positive charge is going to be vertically down. Now, if we had velocity coming out of the screen and B was going to the right, in that case, if we are dealing with a positive charge, force is gonna go up. Again, same procedure for right hand rule. Now assume that we are dealing with a positively charged particle which is going into the screen and magnetic field is going to the left. What is going to happen to the direction of the force? So when thumb goes into the page, into the screen, B to the left, then force is gonna be in north if we are dealing with a positively charged. Again, if we are dealing with negatively charged, we need to just make it opposite. And finally, when we are dealing with a velocity traveling out from the screen, and when the magnetic field is toward left, from right to left, in that case, magnetic force direction is going to be going south. So these are different methods, different cases that you're dealing with finding the direction of the magnetic force.